Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. You have made it to the end of the 31 days, 31 ways to make money selling in 2024, day 31. Happy New Year's Eve. If you're spending it watching this video, God bless you. I appreciate you. I truly appreciate you. It has been a great year as always on YouTube, and I'm just blessed to be able to get up every day and do this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so we're going to use my print on demand framework, idea research platform, product, and design. The idea that we're going to come up with is to create a journal line focusing on something that you are passionate about. Use it and share it with the people in a like industry as yours. And the idea that I thought about is like, hey, let's create a line of unique red journals with dinosaurs. And this could be catered towards toddlers. You need a quick, cute notebook to throw in your purse to keep your child occupied. And it has things that they like, grab it. It would keep them identifying the dinosaurs, or just something that they can tear up or scratch inside. All of that would be good ideas to develop this. The site that we're going to use, the platform is Printful, and we're going to use their hardcover bound notebook that has the bound what is it called, elastic around it. And I created this. I thought it was a repeated pattern, but I'll show you guys what it ended up looking like on the mock-up. I thought it was going to just cover the whole thing. But yeah, this is what I created. And then here is the actual journal. As you see, like the head is cut off. It was like a really weird way to do the pattern. But this is what I got right now. I will figure that out a little bit more, but I always do these videos just for visuals. So this is not something that I would probably normally design, but it does get the point across of what, I'm trying to show you here. So that is the journal, the final mock-up. And we have reached the final video, the last day in the 31 ways to make money selling in 2024. I hope you are walking away with some sense of ideas, some creative juices flowing, just thinking about a platform or a product you never thought about before that you can now carry in your print on demand business. Or if you're starting a new one, there's 31 ideas for you to fully develop. Take your time with. I just gave you a starting point, a head start into what your future can look like in print on demand. Trust me, I have made a lot of money. I have made a lot of mistakes, but I show up every day and I'll get paid for the rest of my life for work that I've done over the years. And I think that is what really keeps me going. And the fact that I don't have to show my face or tell you guys what my brands are makes it even sweeter. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for rocking with me. Again, happy New Year's Eve. And until next time, in next year, in 2024, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.